Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey you guys, if you're looking for a top of the line blender, this is it right there. Can't get no better than a Ninja, because you know a Ninja kicks butt. This is the Ninja Foodi Power Blender, the ultimate system. This is Ninja's most versatile and powerful kitchen system that they ever made, you guys. This thing is a beast. 1200 watts, extra large smoothie bowl maker, nutrition extractor, smart finish, has 6 functions in one. This thing right here is a blender, a food processor, a juicer, and nutrient extractor in one device. Man, this thing is awesome. I'm gonna unbox this thing for you today. This thing is also easy to store. It's a whole complete system. So let's get this baby unboxed and see what we got in here. Crushing. This is a tool crushing and chopping blade right here. This particular blade is a dough blade. It mimics the kneading motion that all your favorite baked goods cause. So that's what that's for. Next up, you'll see the reversible slicing shredding disc. This thing is a reversible shredding disc. It's perfect for outputs like thinly sliced cucumbers and shredded carrots. Here's your main base, large capacity. You put a lot of stuff in this bad boy. That's why I like it. Super, super big. You also have a disc spindle inside here. You have the power blender and the processor picture right here. You have your main base right here. You got the display on the front. 7 auto IQ presets, power, and a power dense motor on this thing. This thing is heavy. Got a little suction cup too right here. Hybrid edge blades assembly right inside here. Also, you have a built-in tamper. You get twist blending to push the ingredients toward the blade. Perfectly thick smoothies. Your smoothies will come out perfect. And the cup has a nutrient extraction cup and also an extra large smoothie bowl maker. Put the lid on it just like that. Close it up, and you all set. The main processor goes on the base, and you're ready to rock. This blender right here will make anything you need. If you're health conscious, any type of food you want, it gets you covered right here. This Ninja baby is top of the line. You guys always know I have a link in the description for this baby. Make sure you guys definitely check it out. This is the Ninja. This is a big boy. This is the SS400 Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System by Ninja. See you on the next one.